Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a profitable pocket option strategy which you can start to use right after watching this video. And I would also suggest you to watch some of my previous video like pocket option 5-second parabolic SAR strategy video where I have shown you exactly how I was able to turn my $10 into $2,541 by doubling up that investment. That strategy is extremely helpful for beginners who want to make profit um, with a headache-free strategy, because lots of people who have used that strategy are making good amount of profit. So I would suggest you to watch that, and I'll give the link of that video anywhere in this screen at the end of this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel and you can start to copy my trades. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair your favorite. Just click on these stars and make these stars yellow, and all of this currency pair will appear at here. Once you do this much, then select these candles and select this candle and select M1. So that means each of your candles are of 1 minute time frame. Now next thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make it clock and just click on here and select M1 and click on this plus sign and it will be 2. So our trading time frame is going to be of 2 minutes. Once you do this much, then you need to implement these two indicators that are vortex and MACD. So just click on here and click on vortex indicator and MACD indicator. And if you click on this both will appear at here. Okay, now just click on this pencil icon in vortex and make this period 21, and just click on this pencil icon for MACD and put this default. Okay, no need to make any changes to it, and just go to styles and turn off this histogram so that this kind of histogram doesn't appear. Just click on it and click on save. Now once you do this much, then the strategy to trade with both of these indicators is very simple. You just need to find the currency pair where you can see this kind of crossover in both both indicator. The vortex is showing like there is a crossover and red line is going above. That means it is a downtrend. Okay, and whenever you see this kind of crossover, and also MACD confirms this kind of crossover where red line is above the green line, okay, and it is falling down, and here you can see a crossover. At that exact time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, for the higher trade you can go with the opposite of this, like green line is going above in vortex and green line is going above in this MACD indicator. It is as simple as this. Now I will make few trades by finding the appropriate place where we can make the trade so that you can understand everything understand and everything easily and start to make trades in a profitable way. So keep patience and keep on watching this video, and don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to my channel then do subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started to making trades. So let me find the currency pair where we can make the trade exactly. Okay, so here is one currency pair that I want to show you. A crossover have happened in vortex, but MACD haven't confirmed it, so we are waiting for the confirmation, and if that confirmation happens then we can take the risk and make the trade. Now not all of your trades are going to be 100% right, okay, but some of your trades are going to be in loss, but that's fine. That's the beauty of trading. You cannot become profitable all the time. Here you can see the crossover is going to happen, but the candle have started to move in the upward direction, so this crossover may not happen and we need to avoid the trade, but we can wait for some time and let's see what happens in this place. So what I will do is I'll cut the part of waiting and show you the exact part where we are going to make the trade if the crossover happens at here also. So as you can see, vortex have done another crossover, okay, and it is like hovering in the same place, so we need to avoid making trades at here. So I'll move forward and search for another currency pair where we can make the trade. I want to show you another example. Here you can see a crossover is going to happen in the MACD. It is about to happen, but the vortex indicator is showing too much distance between these two lines, so you need to avoid trading in these kind of places also. let's move forward. So here is another example, like this vortex indicator have done a crossover at here. Here also was a crossover, and if you had made trade anywhere at here, and you could have made profit most probably. But now you can see there is a crossover already. But if you want to make the trade by clicking on higher, then you should avoid, because here you can see there is a strong resistance at here, right? So you don't need to take risk in this kind of market. However, if you are a risk taker and if you think you can make trade in these places, then you can of course trade in breakout, but that's your choice. But I would suggest you to avoid these kind of places. So this is the place where I would prefer to make the trade. Here you can see vortex have done a crossover, red line is above the green line, and MACD have also done a crossover. Now here you can see there is a support at here. Okay, there is also a strong support at here. So in these kind of cases, what may happen, that market may bounce back to the resistance point and it might break out, but it may fall also. Okay, so in these places also, like, you need to maybe avoid. But at the time of making this video, I am not finding any places where I can exactly make the trade. That's why I'm forced to make the trade, so that I need to show you. Now here you can see there is another crossover happening. Okay, here also another crossover is happening. So now our chance of getting wrong can be increased, but in trading you can say nothing. You just need to find the good entry point with this kind of crossover. So let's cut the part from, I'll first fast forward and show you exactly what happens in this trade. So at the last moment we lose this trade, but no worries, we can find other places where we can make the trade. So now I'll quickly find another place where we can make this trade. It seems like we have got a good place to make the entry at here. So I'm going to make 3 entries at here for $50 each. Here a crossover have happened, and MACD also have a crossover. Now if both of these go in a flow and above direction, then we could easily make the profit. So now let's wait and see what happens in this trade. Of course, I'm going to do a fast forward so that you don't need to wait for this much long time. So guys, as you can see, firstly we made one loss, and then later we made all of these 3 trades profitable in one signal. Okay, in this way you can start to make trade by using these both indicator. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you in my next video with more interesting strategy which you can start to use to make profitable trades for yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.